Hi, I'm Francis from Tado. This is a short video to show you how easy it is to install the Smart AC Control, as well as give you a few handy tips. First, download and install the free Tado app on your phone and open it up. You'll need to follow the prompts to register an account and your home before you can start the installation. Once you've registered and then connected your Smart AC Control to your Wi-Fi, you'll need to enter some information about your current AC, such as whether the remote has a display or not, and if so, what information and modes are available. My AC remote, for example, shows what mode it's in, the temperature, and what fan speed it is set to. We have a large database with many command sets already recorded, so you can test which one works for you. Make sure you turn the AC on before the step where the Smart AC Control will send out a test signal and you simply confirm if your AC beeps or not. If you find multiple command sets work for you, then you can test which one works best even after completing the installation. If none of the command sets work for you, or you cannot find your AC brand in the list, then you have the option to teach the Smart AC Control directly from the old remote. Just follow the prompts in the app and point your remote directly at the Smart AC Control. You can then test to see if you have successfully set up your Smart AC Control, and then you can mount it within line of sight of the AC. I actually have mine mounted on the other side of the room near the doorway. And that's it. You've now added intelligence to your AC that will enhance your comfort while saving you money. For more information, visit us at Tado.com. Thanks for watching.